Between 2017 and 2022, the Consumer Product Safety Commission announced 7 magnet toy recalls. 7 across 6 years. In the first half of 2026 alone, 16. There is a mandatory federal safety standard for toy magnets, and nearly every recent recall cites a violation of it. A missing rule is not the explanation. We read all 44 end to end. The answer is not in the count. It isn't who got hurt and when. A warning first. The database has a product type field, and in more than 90% of records it is blank, so the Commission's files carry no consistent label for a toy. No filter could answer this. So we pulled all 71 recalls mentioning magnets and read the titles by hand, keeping children's toys and play products with a swallowing risk. That left 44. Out went cookware, power banks, charging cables, bed rails, a mosquito trap. A person drew that line, not a script. The shape inside that set. 2 recalls in 2017. None in 2018 or 2019. 1 in 2020. 2 in 2021. 2 in 2022. Then 5, 7, 9, and 16 in 6 months. A partial year we will not project forward. 7 across 6 years. Then 37 in the 3.5 that followed. The character of the recalls moved with it. Before December 2023, no notice is headlined by a regulation, and 6 of the first 10 carry a customer report. A magnet fell off a game piece. From that December on, 31 of the next 34 cite a violation of a federal standard, and most report nothing. A recall used to mean a magnet came out. Now it mostly means a product failed a test. What drew that line, we do not know. That there's a line, we can see. Who got hurt then? In the whole record, exactly 2 recalls described children injured by the recalled product. August 2021, Zen magnets and Neo balls. 2 children who swallowed them needed surgery to remove the magnets and parts of their intestines and bowels. March 2022, Digit Dots magnetic balls. For more children, also surgery. 6 children, 2 notices, both at the front of the list. Every other injury in the file is the Commission describing other companies' magnets. Hold that against the surge. Since January 2023, there have been 37 recalls in our set, and not 1 reports an injured child. 3 report the failure with nobody hurt. A loose rivet in an IKEA fishing game, a connector on a Thomas & Friends truck, 31 magnets separating from Tega stackers. That is the injury column for 3.5 years. The rising line is not children being hurt. It is products being caught. This is why magnets get a standard of their own. Choking is one object, one moment. A magnet is different. One usually does very little, and the hazard appears only when there are 2. The Commission's language is specific. Swallowed magnets attract each other or another metal object and become lodged in the digestive system, and lists perforation, twisting, blockage of the intestines, blood poisoning, and death. Then read the Zen magnets line again. Surgery to remove the magnets and parts of the intestines. One more thing shows up only in date order. The agency changing its own voice. Every recall through the 6th of March, 2025, is headlined by the rule. Ingestion hazard, violation of a federal regulation. Then on the 10th of April, the exact phrase risk of serious injury or death appears in a title and never leaves. 23 recalls in a row now carry it, with no announcement at all. The same reading turns up something stranger. 9 notices from December 2023 to December 2024 carry a figure. An estimated 2,400 magnet ingestions treated in emergency departments from 2017 through 2021. 8 say 7 deaths. 3 do not say since when. The 9th says 8, and alone closes the window since 2005 through 2021. 25 recalls have followed without a number. The products changed too, the most practical finding here. The early recalls are magnets sold as magnets. Zen magnets, Digit Dots, 5mm neodymium ball sets, too strong and small enough to fit the small part cylinder. The recent ones merely contain magnets. A wooden ice cream shop playset. A Montessori busy board. 5 separate chess game recalls. Their reason line is no longer that the magnet is too strong. It is that it came loose. That is the distance between the rule and the shelf. The scale swings wildly. One recall covered about 10 million individual magnets, another 105 ball sets. But the 6 injured children all come from before the surge, and none has joined them since. So if there is a magnet toy in your house, the question is not whether the magnets are too strong. It is whether they can come out.